Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a real-time chart, real-time cryptocurrency prices on your project, on your laravel project without writing any line of code to implement that. So actually what we are going to be doing on this way is copy and paste because we are not actually going to write any code to implement that. So let me quickly show you how to get or how to get a widget to integrate on your project. So let's search for trading view. Then the first result there is actually the website. So let's open it. Then there's it. So let's scroll down to the bottom of the website. And there's the widgets. So let's click on widgets. So on the widget page, you're going to see many widgets you can use or you can integrate or you can embed in your project. So first, I think this advanced real-time chart widget that shows the chart of the prices of cryptocurrencies. Then the technical analysis widget. Then you have the market overview widget. Then you have the market data widget. And stock market widgets. Then you have the economic calendar widget and ticker widgets. You have the ticker tape widget. So we are going to start from this ticker tape widget, which we mostly see on most of the cryptocurrency websites being implemented. So we're going to see how it works and how to implement it or how to integrate it on our Laravel project. So let's open it in a new tab. And yeah, okay. So first, we are not going to do any settings to it. We're just going to copy this embed code and go to our project and paste it on a dashboard. Save it, then go back to the browser, to our project, and refresh the page and see if it's going to appear there. And boom, there's it, and it has appeared. So this is simply how to embed or integrate live uh, real-time prices, cryptocurrency prices on your project or any project at all. It can be Laravel project, it can be Python, it can be Node, it can be anything at all. You can simply embed the widget on the project. So this is actually how it works. So let's go back to the trading view and see how we can customize the widget that we just embedded in our project. So okay, as you can see here, the first I'm going to show you is how to remove and add any cryptocurrency that you want to appear on the widget. So first, let's remove this US 100 prices on the widget by clicking on this times icon. Then let's add cryptocurrency. By default, this is going to be highlighted all. So if all is highlighted on your own, you quickly come back to click on this crypto to find the cryptocurrency you want to add on the widget. So you can also search for the cryptocurrency. Maybe you didn't see it here. You can search for it here. Maybe XRP. So let me see it. So click up this. Okay. Then click on add. Let me add it. And let's add one more. Let's add another one. So click on add. Let me add it. Let's add one more. And the last one we're going to add on this. You can add as many as you want, but you want to use straight same time. So let's add Cardano. You write the description, click on add. This description is what is going to appear on this widget, like this one. Yes, so this is actually what's going to appear on. So anything you type here will appear here as the name of the cryptocurrency. So, and again, I want to show you can also add, or you can also choose to make the widget to appear in dark mode or light mode. So let's select dark mode. And again, you can also hide the logos of the cryptocurrency that's just added. So if you notice, all cryptocurrencies have logos, and if you click on this hide logos, it's going to hide the logo of this cryptocurrency. In the display mode, we have the regular, compact, and the adaptive mode. So for now, we're going to use it to adaptive mode. And after everything we have set, after setting up everything, you click on apply. Sorry, click on apply to so that your changes will take effect. So let's copy the widgets back and let's override this one, paste it. Let's go back to the browser. Let's refresh the page, and there's it. So there's actually a dark mode I just added. So, and as you can see, the new cryptocurrencies that we added have started appearing on the widgets. We have the XRP, then we have the Solana, then lastly the last one we added was XRP. Sorry, was ADA, which is Cardano. So this is simply how to integrate or embed a widget, a cryptocurrency real-time chart or real-time widget on your project. So this displays the real-time prices of every cryptocurrencies that you can think of. So it's very easy, very simple and clear. So next, I'm going to show you how to do the customization on the code, not necessarily coming back here. So anytime you want to do customization, you don't necessarily need to come here to do the customization. You can actually do it from your code. Avoid copying and pasting this over and over again. So you can actually do the customization here. Let me say you want the logo to disappear. You can set this to false. You want the color theme to be light mode. You can set this light. You can set any of these transparent. You can make it transparent. You can make it not transparent. And let's save this and see if the changes apply. Okay, as you can see, it has gone back to light mode and the logos is no more there. So that's cool. That's it. That's just it. So let's quickly set it back to the way it is before. Okay, I think that's it. Back. Let's go back to the code. And this is it. So next, we are going to look on how to remove this copyright by trade view in case you don't want it to appear on the project or you don't want the users to know this is actually where the thing is coming from. And you can actually remove the copyright. Maybe it's distorting your design and all that. So let's go back to the code and see how we can do that. So quickly, let's remove this. In this, where the copyright starts from and this is where it ends. Let's delete it and save it and go back to the browser, refresh the page, and it's nowhere to be found. That's it. So lastly, let me also teach you how to put the live the real-time chat widget, which was first that appears here on the top. So let's see how we can grab this and put it inside our project too. So let's open this in a new tab. So this one customization is going to look different from the one that we already did. So to quickly grab this or embed it on your project, you can click on copy code, then go back to your let's not override this, let's put this in okay. So let's save and go back to your browser and dashboard and refresh, and here it is. So this is very simple and easy to put or to implement. Okay, let's quickly see how we can change the size of this widget, the last widget we just added. Our project, if you notice, the theme is compressed here, while on this place is way bigger. So by default, it's going to set it to they're going to set it to auto resize. So auto resize means that it's going to adapt any container that you place it inside. So that's specifying the size. So if you specify the size or the height, let me say if you specify the height and the width of the container, it's going to use the height and width of the container. But if you didn't specify it, it's going to shrink itself to adapt to that container. So to solve this issue, we're going to untick this auto size and specify the width and the height that we want. Right, so this auto size is used for responsiveness of the widget, but if you don't want it that way, you can handle it by, if you don't want to handle it using the container that you place it inside, we can also actually specify how we want it to appear on our project. And so let's click on apply uh, to make the sizes to take effect on the code. So let's go back to the code and override this. Okay. Okay. Let's go back to dashboard, refresh, and there is it. So I think we have, we have gotten to the end of this tutorial. Please, if you find this tutorial very informative and educative, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and also click on the notification bell icon whenever we post new tutorials. Thank you for watching.